Hello, and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 29. In this video, I will be replacing the filler valve in the toilet. The problem going on now is that when you flush the toilet, it takes a very long time to refill the tank. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn off the water supply. And then flush the toilet. And I hold the lever down to make sure as much water drains out of the tank as I can possibly get. So here's a filler valve that I'm replacing. I've got most of the water out, and I'm just going to use a bucket to grab the rest. So I unscrew the supply line. This one's kind of tight. I'm going to have to use my pliers on it. And a little bit of water will drip out when I disconnect this line. There we go. And now I gotta loosen the filler valve, so I'm just gonna get the pliers in here again. Got to adjust them to the right size. And now I can do the rest by hand. Now this can't be seen on camera, but I am pushing down slightly on the top of the filler valve with my other hand in order to try to maintain the seal, so I don't get a huge amount of water coming out at once until I'm ready for it. Now I've moved the filler valve a little bit, so now the water's pouring out. And now I'll just finish loosening the nut here, and then I can pull the valve out. And now the valve's out. Here's the two filler valves side by side. The one on the left is the old one, and the one on the right is the new one. That I have to adjust the height by rotating it. Alright, now they're both adjusted to the same height. And I've got a new seal. Slides on the bottom. And the little tube that goes into the overflow. Now it's ready to go in. Now I just put it in and tighten down the plastic nut from below by hand. So both the filler valve and supply line are hand tight. I'll just turn the water on and let the tank fill up. No leaks so far. Feels dry. Now the tank's full and the water's shut off at the right level. This has two full lines, a water saver line and a regular. It's always been set to the water saver line, so now we'll flush it and check it out. Flapper valve closed. Seems all fixed. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.